Impact windows and doors have proven to be a good investment. Impact products make your home more efficient and reduce insurance premiums, with 43% of homeowners seeing a reduction in their insurance costs. PGT has led the industry for more than 40 years by improving safety standards, pushing innovation, and delivering superior performance. With WinGuard vinyl impact-resistant windows and doors, there are many options to maximize energy efficiency. Additions like high-performance low-E coatings, glass tints, and argon gas can help you achieve ENERGY STAR ratings and potentially save money. Did you know the average American pays somewhere between $1,500 and $2,500 each year on home energy bills? Heating and cooling alone are responsible for 45% of that. The glass you choose for your windows and doors can dramatically increase the energy efficiency of your home. We're proud to offer laminated glass and laminated insulating glass options that all contribute to decrease indoor energy use as well as lower heating and cooling costs. The clear interlayer of the glass used in WinGuard Impact products can also filter out 99% of UV rays, helping your furniture, carpet, artwork, and drapes retain their original beauty, giving you additional peace of mind. From the day they're installed and for every moment you own your home, our Impact products stand up to outside elements and give you confidence in your environment, your lifestyle, and your investment. Live the life you want, where you want. A custom detailed home that offers you and your family beauty and peace of mind for years to come. That's the freedom of PGT.